Wastewater enters the inlet gate well through the main inlet pipe, and after being controlled by the gate, flows into the coarse screen tank for primary interception. Floating solids larger than 20 mm in diameter are removed by a conveyor and discharged outside the screen. The effluent from the coarse screen then flows by gravity into the wastewater pump house, from where it is lifted by pumps to the fine screen channel for secondary interception. Suspended or floating solids larger than 5 mm enter the screening chute, and an external booster pump supplies clean water to convey these solids to a compactor. After washing and compaction, the solids are discharged out of the chute. After secondary interception by the coarse and fine screens, the wastewater flows into the aerated grid chamber. The aeration device is installed on one side of the grid tank. As the wastewater enters, the root spill room supplies air through air diffusion plates to remove organic fumes attached to the surface of the wastewater. Off-gas generated during aeration is discharged into the atmosphere after biological deodorization. The wastewater treated in the aerated grid chamber then flows into the anaerobic zone of the biochemical tank, where it undergoes plug flow movement. After plug flow, the wastewater is transferred to the anoxic zone via internal recirculation for nitrification and nitrogen removal. It then enters the aerobic zone for nitrification, phosphorus removal, and COD removal. The mixed liquor from the biochemical tank flows into the secondary clarifier, which accelerates sedimentation and forms sludge. The sludge is scraped by a scraper into a discharge channel and then conveyed to a sludge thickening tank. The clarified wastewater from the secondary clarifier is collected and lifted by pumps to the high-efficiency sedimentation tank. In this tank, through mixing and chemical dosing, suspended solids form sludge that settles to the bottom. This sludge is pumped by circulation pumps to the sludge thickening tank, where it joins the sludge from the secondary clarifier. Together, they are conveyed via sludge pipelines to a sludge holding tank and then sent to the doodling room. After doodling, the sludge forms cakes, which are transported by piston pumps to sludge trucks and hauled away. The remaining wastewater flows into the sand filter beds of the V-type filter for filtration. The filtered water enters the disinfection tank and then goes to the combined pump house. Depending on the application, the purified water is used in 3 ways. 1. As backwash water for the V-type filter. To discharge via reclaimed water pumps for washing, landscaping, groundwater recharge, etc. And 3. Sent through tailwater pumps to an ultraviolet disinfection system. After flow measurement through a partial flume, the final effluent meets discharge standards and is released.